Now we are going to discuss about Cochran-Armitage trend test. So this Cochran-Armitage trend test is basically to calculate the linear trend sort of relationship between dichotomous dependent variable and ordinal independent variables. So it is mainly used to find the linear association or linear trend pattern between dichotomous dependent variable and ordinal independent variables. So here we have taken drug dosage of drugs, which is generally ordinal in nature, and in case of the palpitation, people they have given responses, patients they have given responses as yes or no. So it is dichotomous nominal variable, so it is dependent generally, that we are planning to take over here. So in this test, there is Cochran-Armitage trend test. The exact menu has not been given in SPSS. So we have to use this regression, especially binary logistic regression for this, because there we can able to find this linear trend association between dichotomous and ordinal variable. So now first, before going to that, first we should investigate their behavior, the association. Generally we can go to cross tab and find the relationship, that is generally the sort of association between them. According to the patient's behavior, from this pattern cross tabulation, we can able to understand drugs for starting from 50 mg and 250 mg. For this the palpitation side effects where patients given yes or no has been cross tabulated. So with respect to 50 mg, people are saying 13 of them have mentioned yes, they have the palpitation. Likewise, respectively 17, 16, 32, 9, they have just projected that they have palpitation. So from this we can able to understand for 200 mg it is high. So there are the cases where they are finding palpitation. So amongst this, 200 seems to be very high. So this first we will look into that. Then we can go to analyze, go to regression and click binary logistic, where you have to choose dependent as the nominal variable, that is dichotomous variable, and then you can choose drug here under covariates. So straight away I am giving OK, since all default function is more than enough for Cochran-Armitage trend test. So here as usual, say logistic regression, all block 0 and block 1 method will be presented over here, and seems to be this variable in equation Wahl's test seems to be significant. We are proceeding with the further analysis, say omnibus test, where chi-square test seems to be significant, proceeded with all the basic function, log likelihood, Cox and the remaining Nagelke test seems to be significant. So we are proceeding to the final table for interpretation. So here variables in equation, here Wahl's test seems to be significant. So from this we can able to understand this is the final table for interpretation, where this is the odds ratio, exponential ratio. Beta seems to be significant as Wahl test seems to be significant. From this we can able to understand that dosage of drug and palpitation, they have the linear trend pattern, and impact has been mentioned over here, say 0.806 odds ratio. So from this we can able to understand that they have a sort of linear association. Palpitation and drug dosage, they have the linear association that we are statistically proving. So with which I am ending this Cochran-Armitage trend test.